Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Space. To begin, locate Zen Space within your device's settings, usually under Digital Wellbeing or Focus mode. Tap to activate it, and you'll immediately enter a simplified interface. This feature is designed to minimize distractions, helping you achieve a state of calm and focused productivity for your tasks. It's a straightforward process to initiate your first session. Personalizing your Zen Space experience is key to its effectiveness. You can easily set a timer for your session, choosing durations like 25 minutes for a Pomodoro technique or even several hours for deep work. Next, select only the essential applications you need, blocking out social media and games. Some versions also allow you to pick calming background sounds or visual themes, creating a truly tailored environment for your concentration. To truly maximize your focus, explore Zen Space's advanced features. Engage the deep focus mode to ensure absolutely no interruptions, silencing all but emergency calls. Consider scheduling regular Zen Space sessions for consistent work blocks, perhaps for 30 minutes each morning. After each session, review the summary to see how long you focused and which apps were blocked. This feedback helps you refine your habits and maintain a high level of concentration over time. Making Zen Space a consistent habit will significantly boost your productivity. Try to incorporate it into your daily routine, perhaps for the first 90 minutes of your workday. Remember to utilize the optional break reminders, which can prompt you to take a 5-minute pause after every 45 minutes of focus. Don't be afraid to experiment with different time limits and allowed apps. Finding your optimal setup ensures you get the most out of this powerful tool for sustained concentration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.